invited to Uncle Micah's house for our third and final Thanksgiving.
He's naughty house.
3 days in a row. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. The other girls are with Grandma. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Are you gonna sing?
Na na na. Na na na.
Well done.
Some of the other flavor. Grandma's making a peanut butter chicken. And she's giving it a massage.
Alright. I got these boards. What do you want?
Coming out.
Oh, little chicken.
Oh, little chicken, my pet.
Baby's taking a nap before late lunch.
Go to anything in this town, really. It's kind of like
Phone time. Pretending not to have phone time.
No, I killed you.
You playing some Foursquare?
Eli's out. Eli, you're out. Alright.
What are you doing over
I
there?
gotta get an iPhone on. Because you know Samsung's better.
What are you doing? Oh, you said you
Nice hit, Judge. You're out.
Wait, what's the
No, she's not. No, it's supposed to hit! Yeah! Alright, look at
Woo!
Eli. I'm still in. I can't.
Go Ella! Go Ella!
Yeah.
Hands.
I'm still in.
Okay, let's go Ella! Woo! Ella!
I don't know. I don't know.
That's
what that
Jerry.
was.
He's out. He's out. He's out.
Ready?
Scoot it.
Okay. When I get back there, so you know it. I'm taking.
You've seen it, Alvin? Yeah. I went with yeah. I don't know. What the heck, you guys? The pain? It's really good.
It is time to do night animal chores. It is pitch black. It's only like 7:30. It's so dark now. Okay, so. Okay. I'm gonna start by putting the cats away. Cats everywhere. Come on, kitties! Yeah, kitty, 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 kitty! Come on, kitties! Are you finding something, Daddy? You finding something? We actually lock up our cats at night. We lock our cats up at night in the cat shop. That's what we call it. It's a really big garage down here. It's left open during the day for them to go in and eat, but it's locked at night. Come on, kitty, kitty, kitties! Don't go into the woods. Kitties! Good kitties. There's 4 of you so far. Oh, 5. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, there comes Daddy. 6. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty. I don't know who we're missing. Okay, no, you're not leaving, baby. Hi, Stripies. Hi. Hi. You guys hungry? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we have all of them. 6, 7. We have 7 team cats. We had 8. There was one that was about the color of Cleo, but darker. He was a really pretty cat. He disappeared about a week ago. We don't know what happened to him. But a bunch of our chickens have been disappearing, and actually one of our white chickens disappeared the same day as Mr. Whiskers disappeared. Okay, so that's Cleo. That's Hero. He has a smudge on his face. We had to find differences in their babies so we can tell apart. That's Valentine. They were born on Valentine's Day. This is Isabel. She's the mama. She had the 6 babies on Valentine's Day. And this is her sister Stripes. We got them both as babies from my uncle's farm. And Chase. He has 2 black ears. That's Chase. And then where's Dottie at? Dottie is, oh, there's Dottie. She has like a hero mask on her head. Hey, Dottie. Hi. We have 7 rabbits. This is Carrots. He's the daddy. This is, I don't remember his name. Somebody had given us 7 baby rabbits that they needed to rehome. And we got rid of 6 of them, but Ava insisted that we keep this little gray one. He's a troublemaker, though. He's very aggressive and territorial. This is, I don't remember either, a black bunny that we adopted from the Nebraska Humane Society. He is also naughty. If you try and hold him, he like kicks your hand on purpose to scratch it really bad. This is Black Swan. She just had babies a couple days ago. 3 babies. It's her first time. She's so young. None of them made it. It was an accidental pregnancy. They were in their outdoor cages, and this gray rabbit got in her cage. So we were just hoping that she was too young to get pregnant. This is Mama Rabbit. This is Willow. Hi, Willow. These are her babies. Snowball and somebody else. I don't remember. I'm really bad with the rabbits' names. Okay, but look at the rabbits. That one has blood on its back, and that one is missing part of its lip. So one morning, so Ava's chores are cats and bunnies every morning. And she came in one morning freaking out because, there's like this wire separating these cages. This rabbit was in this rabbit's cage, and they had like a total battle. So this rabbit was missing part of its lip, and this rabbit was like, had blood all over its back, and like hair pulled out of her. You can see like, there's hair all over the cage from this one. Yeah, they're not. The male rabbits are super territorial. Like, we try to keep these 2 together, like from birth, but one of them would always try to be dominant over the other one and like hump it and bite it, and we had to separate them. Okay, we're gonna lock up the chickens. We don't have the bird netting on yet, so we just have to make sure that they're all still here. Now Hawk didn't come in and grab one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, oh, and 15. They're all here. We had a lot more a few weeks ago. We had 22. But, okay. Shake down the food. I don't know where there's a pile of baskets on top of the food. So that's my husband. You guys leave me any eggs today? Huh? Let's see. Oh, there's some eggs right there. There's some eggs right there, little lady. Did you put those there for me? Okay, good night. Good night. Look at this cute little chicken sign.